you all have seen this filter on that famous. Yes, I know that I'm looking very stupid right now, but so we reached our college now. Why did you guys walk like this? So we are inside Zudia now. There are so many aesthetic cafes and restaurants. So welcome back guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Sumitra. How are you all? Hoping that you are doing good, and even I'm doing great. So as you all know, I'm having my clinical posting. So it has been 1 month that our clinical posting had started, and it is of total 3 months. So this is my second month now. So the thing is that I was absent for 1 day last month, and I have to clear that hours by doing extra duties on Sundays also. So today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday, and I am having 3 hours completion of duty pending. So yeah, tomorrow I have to go and I have to complete it. So you all are with me on Sunday on my clinical duties. So stay tuned in the vlog and watch the vlog till end. She was a girl from another room. She came to meet Sadia. As you all know, you have seen in my previous vlog of Iskon Temple. So she is Chandu. She is from other room, and she has come here because she is having some work. You don't have work, so she is a very workless girl. We had our lunch, dinner. We had our dinner, then we are sitting simply. So I'm starting my vlog to even see my pimple. So I am starting this vlog today so that I can cover it till tomorrow and give you a good content. So yes, मैं अकेले ड्यूटी नहीं कर रही हूँ. There are other members also. So from my hostel, Hajuma is also coming with me, and from today I have started to going library because after coming from the clinical posting in the hostel I am unable to study. So I am getting up early and I am going to college library. Even tomorrow we are going. So yes, let's see how the day goes, and we are having even other plans because it is Sunday. Yeah. So now Sadia has given me some scrub. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Face mask. Okay, scrub and mask. So let's apply. So as you can see on my face, there are so many pimples, and even my skin has become so dull. So let's apply some mask and scrub. Bought from Sadia. She has given it by her own. I have not asked her. First only I am telling you all. So चलो जल्दी लगाते हैं. It is around 9:41, and Chandu is interrupting me so much. I don't know why. So let's apply now on face. Obviously, my audience know everything, right, guys? They are having sense and even mind, but she don't. I hope you all have seen this filter on that famous reel, which was like तड़पाओगे तड़पा लो. So yeah, I have not done that reel, and please subscribe. My hairstyle is not hairstyling because my hair damage is more. Guys, don't unsubscribe me after listening to my song. So I'll meet you after talking to my mom because I'm having call. I'm having caller. इंग्लिश तो भूल चुकी हूँ, इंग्लिश में भूल चुकी हूँ. నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బస్ బాతోं में रह गए बातों बातों Yes, I know that I'm looking very stupid right now, but yeah, this is what I am. I enjoy every moment. Oh. So now let's for a few minutes to get it dry. Then let's wash our face. So I washed my face and this is how my face is looking now. A bit soft, yeah, that's it. And I'm feeling bit freshness in my skin, that's it. So it is around now 11. So आज का कार्यक्रम होता है ख़त्म. मिलते हैं आपसे कल. कल संडे की सुबह going to do. Bye all, good night. I'll meet you on the morning. In the morning. इंग्लिश ख़राब हो गई है यार, क्या करूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा. That's fine. Okay, bye. Good night all. आज punishment duty है हमारा. So we are going to our college now. It is 7. अटक गई टाइम. So we reached our college now, and we did not get bus early, so we had to go from auto. And now I'm too much hungry, so I'm taking my breakfast. It is dosa today, so yes, let's just have it. अजुमा हाथ निकाल. अजुमा का बॉक्स बता रहा है कि उसने खाना खा लिया है और चाहिए. अजुमा oh, pretty girls walk like this. Oh, she is my groupmate. Hari Shrishti. BTS Libby. BTS fan, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇನು ಇದು Sarangi. So yeah, say hi to her. She wanted to come in my vlog from a very long time. Hi ಮಾಡು. Hi. ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. Oiled my hair. Now I'll be taking good bath. First I'll have this banana because I'm hungry, and then I'm having my clothes to wash. So let's just I'll do that all things, then let us figure out what else I have to do. So done with the Sunday rituals, washed my clothes, even had my lunch now. Yes, I'm going to my room. So by the way guys, today is friendship day, so a happy friendship day to you and even to the snakes who are watching back behind that sit. So I'm very unlucky in friendship because the people I met, they are in the starting phase a different person, and till we get to know each other they become a very different person, and we'll be having some misunderstandings or some differences, or I don't know, people will be faking in the starting phase. So there are few friends of mine which are real ones, and I'm very glad to have them, and that's enough. So guys, I got ready and I'm going now. So she's Sadia with me. So we both are going to Zudio because sale has started. So yeah. So we are inside Zudio now, and Sadia is saying this. So move if you are watching this vlog. Yes. हम जूडियो से कहीं और स्विच हो रहे हैं क्योंकि जूडियो के सारा सेल पूरा लोगों ने ख़त्म कर दिया है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग हियर. Adia is suggesting me today so many cuisines because ये उसका एरिया है, कॉलेज एरिया. So इसको ज़्यादा पता है आज. So due to Shravan, I am not eating chicken. So we will be planning for eating something veg. So I am thinking to go to Domino's and have one pizza, and we are here. चलो ऑर्डर करो. So we have come to Domino's and we have given an order. So I'm waiting for my order now. Our order, sorry. क्या पता सादिया को बुरा लग जाए, दिल पे ले ले और यहाँ से उठ के चली जाए, फिर बाद में पूरा बिल मेरे से मांगे. So in Zudio we did not get what we wanted, so we are a bit upset now. And Sadia का mood off हो चुका है. So this is our first pizza. ऐसा काम तो कभी हो सकता है. देखो oregano chili flakes. Ask her. Let's ask her. We have given money. So we are doing self-service here. Self-service by please. So basically this is the place, this is how it looks, and it is very luxurious as you can see. Video. This is me. These many people sitting and I shooted my video here. Yeah. So now I shot some videos and I was so nervous, but Sadia gave me confidence and I did, yeah, successfully. So how was your day today?
It was so good.
How did you feel coming with me? I came with you, but still.
Point. I should ask you that. You
But-
shouldn't.
Yeah. So what you were
So,
saying?
how you felt after coming with me?
Very luxurious.
Oh, I knew it. Everyone feels the same.
like मैं पहली नहीं हूँ जो यहाँ पे आई हूँ. Sadia has got many of the girls or
Not many, but
nice. So I am the last one to come here.
no.
Yeah, I am the last one to come here.
We are there to come.
Again, there are in list. See, so busy.
I take them because everyone needs to what you call it.
Explore. Yeah. So this was it. This place is known as Manyata, right?
Yeah.
Manyata Tech
Tech
Park.
Park.
Manyata Tech Park. So it is good. You can come and even you can shoot the reels and all. Nobody says anything. Even I was having phobia.
Show that special wala.
There are so many aesthetic cafes and restaurants here. If you have money and budget, you can definitely try. From tomorrow again the normal basic life leading. Then I have to go and I have to even make one poster. So let's just go now. It is 7. And yeah, let's end the day. So after coming, we got freshen up and then we are sitting. And Sadia is doing this. What they call? This is called? Something she is making. This is known as Arabic calligraphy. This word is
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Means everything should be good like that, na?
अल्लाह का शुक्र है.
Allah ka shukar hai. So yeah, we are not feeling to have today because we had maida, not pizza. We actually had maida today. Maida bread we had. So I'm not even willing and I'm too much tired because yesterday also I did not sleep early and just 6 hours of sleep and
6 hours is more than enough.
no 7 and 8
I
hours.
usually have 6 hours or 5
See,
hours.
from continuous 7 days, you live. You can at least sleep in the daytime. We can't, na.
But still I can manage.
Engineering students and their rantings. That's it. So yeah, and now I'm not willing to have. Even I think she'll not have. However, she won't have only. So yep, this was it. This is how my day went, and I'm too much tired now. And even tomorrow I have to go to college, and I have to wake up early in the morning. So yep. So the chart I'll be preparing it tomorrow with my friend. I'm having one partner, so I'll text her. Then yeah, this is it. We'll make one chart. And today it was so good day, and the place I went was very good. Like I like that
All
place.
thanks to
All thanks to myself. All thanks to myself. So because I decided to go there.
Baigan.
All thanks to Sadia.
Yeah. This is the point.
Just the formality, okay guys, nothing else. So yeah, this was it for the vlog. Hope you all liked it. If you like, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And one more thing, I even made the dance reels, and it was very unexpected thing I had done there. मुझे इतनी शर्म आ रही थी कि I was like I can't do. If somebody is passing from there, I was like, no, wait Sadia, I can't do it. And she was like, you are influencer. ये थिंग मेरे साथ बहुत बार होती है कि जब भी मैं एक वीडियो शूट करती हूँ, मैं लोगों को देख के थोड़ी सी काइंड ऑफ ऐसे सहम जाती हूँ. बट स्टिल द पर्सन हु इज़ मेकिंग वीडियो ऑफ माइन, दे विल मोटिवेट मी लाइक यू आर इन्फ्लुएंसर. मेरे से ज़्यादा उनको पता है कि मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ. So yeah, this is the story behind my reels. And even when I went with Habiba, same thing happened. Yeah, see Coco की हालत. Hi, how are you all? I'm meeting you after so many days. See how I'm sitting. वो उधर ही बैठा रहता है. Nothing else. Yeah, this is how the life is going today. It was good. It was around 9 now, and I'm feeling too much of sleepy, and my legs are also gone today. Pre- Extra precautions taken because she don't want to come in the vlog. And yeah, this was it. This is how my day went. It was good, nice, but even a bit hectic. But it would be more hectic if I would have decided to study. But no study, nothing today. I have to. So yes, this is it. She's waiting. I won't stop my vlog, but why? If I show Sadia's Titanic pose now, you always become fan of her.
No, please. I don't want to.
If I shoot her, then she won't me to. She'll tell me to delete the video. So I won't do this. I won't take risk like that because you're very important to me. You all right, guys?
See, guys.
See, guys. Let. So yeah, this was it for the vlog. Hope you all liked it. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and wait for the new vlog to come. So yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye. See you all. Meet you in the next vlog. Bye. Bye बोलो.
Bye, guys.
हाथ दिखा दो. Bye. Bye from Sadia and bye from me. Have a good day. See you all. So welcome back, guys. Now Habiba is giving treat of ice cream because I'm going with her. चलो आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. आइसक्रीम नहीं खाते हैं. ओह सॉरी, ऐसे हबीबा और सादिया पता नहीं, बाद में देखते हैं. सो सादिया दे रही है इफ आई सेड रॉन्ग. सो यस, चलो लूटते हैं आज सादिया को. गाइस, जिसका डर था वही हुआ. हमारे हॉस्टल का गेट लॉक हो चुका है. सो यस, नो आइसक्रीम फॉर टुडे. ब्लिंकिट करो. नो
एक्सपेक्टेशन की धज्जियां उड़ना इसे कहते हैं. दिखा दो थोड़ा सा.
ताला मार दिया गया है. आंटी के पास जाके इसको तबीयत खराब लग रही है, ये लेकर आते बोलेंगे. हाँ चलो पूछते हैं. राजेश्वरी दीदी हाय बोलो. हाय. तो ये लोग हैं आज बाहर गए थे ये लोग. तो दे आर वेटिंग and they have called the auntie, so even we are having chance to go. Let's see. Hope is hope. This is the ice cream Sadia bought for me. So cheers. So her open ice cream and my unpacked ice cream. Sorry, my packed ice cream and her unpacked ice cream. But now okay. So now I'll be enjoying this ice cream and bye to you all. Bye bye. See you. This is the final one.